The legislature has its work cut out for them in a few weeks' time when work to enact the most important piece of legislation begins. And the House of Representatives vows to do its part and pass the president's pet bill early to avoid any hints or chances of a reenacted budget that is the height of Congress's failure, as our Meleles Moras reports.
In a few weeks, the House of Representatives will begin its deliberations on the proposed 2025 national budget. According to House Speaker Martin Romualdez, among the sectors high in the priority list are education, health, agriculture, defense, social welfare, and infrastructure programs. The House Speaker said they will work doubly hard to pass the proposed 6.352 trillion pesos 2025 General Appropriations Bill before they go on break end of September 2024. This is also the promise of House Committee on Appropriations Chair Elizalde Co. He assures transparency and accountability will reign in their budget discussions, as their goal is to craft a budget that truly serves the people. Appropriations Vice Chair Janet Garin, for her part, also expects marathon hearings just like in the past budget seasons.
Kung pwedeng magpuyat, kayang magpuyat, go. Pero ang importante ay hindi siya i-delay ng sobra, because too much delay will also delay all the processes. Para naman pagka medyo napaaga ang pagtapos ng budget, mapaaga ang pre-procurement processes. Pag open ng next year, mabilis na ang serbisyo.
As a former Secretary of the Department of Health, she also has particular programs in mind she wishes to prioritize to further improve the country's healthcare situation.
Maintenance medications ng diabetes at hypertension, that's very important, no? Ipatuloy yung medical assistance program kasi yung reduction of out-of-pocket expenditures will have a big impact on our people.
On the part of the Makabayan Bloc, they also outlined the agencies and programs they need to focus on to check if they are adequately funded.
Pangunahin sa amin yung DA, DAR, no, dahil ito yung budget na magbibigay ng tulong sa ating mga magsasaka at magbibigay ng lupa sa ating mga magsasaka. So yung DA, DAR, at syempre yung DepEd, yung DOH, yung housing. So yun yung mga priority natin na titignan ang budget.
Babantayan natin yung higher budget for military, lalo na in relation to WPS issue at saka yung US bases. Babantayan po natin yan kasi ang nakataya po dyan ay soberanya natin.
Meleles Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.